My name is Carl Smokey. I am a 4-time World Barbecue Champion, and I also happen to be a 1,000-year-old vampire.
Boston, 96. Dallas, 89. 1889.
I love the great outdoors. I just can't go out in them. Turn to dust.
Grandma Jean, dust. Cousin Phil, dust. Uncle Vlad, hit by a bus. My dog, dust.
I love smoking ribs outside just like any other mortal, but I just couldn't keep risking it. It's way too dangerous. Not for barbecuing. That is, until I discovered Arden, the real wood indoor smoker.
Arden's state-of-the-art smoke elimination technology means you can smoke indoors. This innovative system was born at First Build, the innovation hub for GE appliances and birthplace of the Opal Nugget ice maker. Arden keeps fresh smoke circulating over your food without letting it get into your house. So you don't have to worry. You can relax. Go take a nap. Arden's small footprint but large capacity means that whatever your hunger, Arden can handle it. Arden can fit 2 full racks of ribs, a couple dozen chicken wings, brisket, a whole pork butt. I mean, if you angled it just right, I think you could fit a whole werewolf in here. Oh, don't do that. Gets like a weird film on it. Thanks to Arden, I'm back to winning championships, and I don't even have to leave the house. But they don't need to know that.
Oh yeah, it's a real scorcher out today. Hashtag I'm outside. Oh man, feel that warm beach air. We're out here doing human things.
I believe delicious smoke-filled flavor should be available to everyone. Everyone except Van Helsing. So join the cause. Pre-order and bring home Arden, your kitchen's pitmaster. So I said to Napoleon, right? Oh, sorry guys, sorry. It's just cranberry juice, I swear.